Now, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking to yourself, how are you going to go from my goal is $30,000, which I did end up making in my portfolio. I'm sitting at $30,844. How are you going to go from that to I want to be a millionaire? Well, I'll tell you what. We're going to make this happen, and no matter how long this series takes, no matter how many years it takes, I am going to show you guys that you can become a millionaire too, and this is going to be a really fun journey that I'm excited to start with you guys. So, what is up, everybody? Welcome to Trey's Trades, where we give technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as potential buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, so take what I say with a grain of salt. The reason that I started this channel is because a couple years back, I was about $30,000 deep in some medical debt, and I was very fortunate to have some close family, friends, and mentors that pushed me to work hard and invest my money. And I'm happy to say that not only am I now financially free, but I'm doing pretty well for myself at the age of 23. So if I can pass along any of the information, resources, or tools that are given to me here to the community, make a couple people better off than they were before, that's all that I can ask for. Last, if you would not mind dropping a like on the video, it really does help support the channel, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this. Now today, we're going to be starting tracking all of the revenue that I make as an investor in the Army, from YouTube, from my Patreon, from affiliate links, and the whole 9 yards. And I'm going to be tracking the process of becoming a millionaire. Now, right now, I'm not even close to becoming a millionaire. My revenue is it's going to take me a couple of years to get to that point based on where I am right now. But I'm going to show you guys the process, and that you can do this too if you are a content creator, if you are an investor, the whole 9 yards. So currently, my portfolio is sitting at $30,844, and I have a game plan in order to get my portfolio up to $1 million, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I plan on doing that. So at this given moment, this is what I have in my portfolio. I have been adding about $500 to $800 every 2 weeks from my paychecks in the Army in order to make this kind of money. Now, what does my revenue look like at this given moment? Well, I'm going to show you guys. So if we look up active duty officer pay chart, you can see exactly how much money I make at any given time, but I will show you right now anyways, in case you were curious. So I'm an 01, which is a second lieutenant in the military, and before taxes, I make about $3,100 a month. Now, additionally, I do make untaxable income, which is BAH, and this is basically a basic housing allowance in which the Army gives me tax-free money in order to pay my rent, or in this case, my mortgage. And depending on where you live in the United States, this does differ, but after I make my BAH and I'm taxed on my income, I make about $4,000 a month after taxes. Before taxes, it's about $4,500. Now, this is going to end up being one of my smaller income sources, just based on investing, based on YouTube, based on the Patreon, based on my affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how much money I make every single month. So we're going to start off here and just open up a Google Excel account and show you guys and track all of the different income sources that I make. So just opening up this this blank sheet right now, we're going to start off with income sources and write this in right here. So income sources and then income. Now, starting off, we do have the Army, which pays me, we're going to say $4,000 a month. Next, we're going to talk about YouTube. How much money do I make from YouTube videos? Well, currently my channel is sitting at about 2,000 subscribers, right? So if we come to my dashboard, you can see, or not 2,000, 12,000 subscribers. And if we come to my dashboard, I do put out videos anywhere between 8 to 10 a day, just because you know how the market is. It's very time sensitive. You need to get information out, otherwise somebody else is going to, right? So I put out between 8 to 10 videos a day. And in the last 48 hours, my channel has gotten about 41,476 views. Now, the way that YouTube pays you is they pay you per 1,000 views based on a CPM rate. So if we pull up my video with the best CPM rate right now, you come over to revenue. This isn't it. So let's just click on this revenue tab. Check out my most highly paid videos during this time period. I believe it is JagX is paying me. It's about $10.87 per view, but that is not the video that pays me the most. So depending on the content that you're putting out, especially finance or investing YouTubers, your niche does pay you pretty decently CPM rates. And in this video, I make a CPM rate of about $21 per 1,000 views, which after YouTube takes their cut is about $12 per 1,000 views. This video got about 4.9 thousand views, a total revenue of $61.65. Now this is an unusual amount of revenue. Some videos pay a little more, some videos pay a little bit less. As your channel begins to grow, advertisers are willing to pay more AdSense rates. They're willing to pay more CPM per 1,000 views for your channel, and you make more money. So the snowballing effect of YouTube is, as the channel grows, as you get more views, you continue to make more money. So currently I make anywhere between $150 to as high as $212 per day, putting out the amount of content that I do. And as the channel begins to grow, you're going to continue to see this overall revenue grow. So per month, if we meet in the middle on this and say that I make $150 per day, and you take that number times 30 days, that is currently $4,500 a month from YouTube AdSense. So we're going to add that in right now. YouTube AdSense, I make $4,500 per day. All right. Next source of income for me is going to be the Patreon. And I have the Patreon pulled up right here, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how much money I make from Patreon right now. This is with 527 active patrons. I make about $3,051 per month. And this is after they take out their taxes, they take out their cut, they take out all the fees. I will be paid this on the first of every single month, this total Patreon revenue, right? So currently this is $3,051 a month, but this number is always changing, guys. If we looked at this 1 week ago, my total revenue from Patreon would have been about $1,800. So this is going to be a snowballing effect in which I will also show you guys the process of. I will always be very transparent about how much money I'm making from YouTube, from my affiliate marketing, from the market, the whole 9 yards. So Patreon is about $3,051 per month. My next source of income is going to be affiliate marketing. And this does vary greatly. It depends a lot on how many people end up getting into my affiliate marketing links, such as TubeBuddy, such as Webull. I am going to be offering my setup for my computer. That way people can get into that if they are interested, because I do very highly value my computer, and I attribute a lot of my success in the market to the processing speed and ability for my computer to need to do what it does. So now, one of the affiliate marketing programs that I do run through is Webull. And this is never something that I try to push to my viewers. I always just leave a free link in the description box. And if you're interested in signing up, you get free stocks, I get free stocks, and we both make a little bit of money, right? So this is another source of revenue that I currently make because of YouTube and because of investing. So as it sits right now, I have about 30 free stocks that are currently being transitioned over to my account. And with the Webull Influencer program, which I recently signed up for, I will be getting paid at least $30 per stock, with the maximum worth of the stock being up to $1,800. Now, I've only gotten one stock out of this so far with the influencer deposit bonus, but I do have a bunch of other stocks in here, and if I add these all up, I have already done that for you, so it's very easy to add. My current monthly revenue from Webull affiliate marketing is about $450. Now, another source of revenue that I do have is going to be the TubeBuddy affiliate program. And this is something that hasn't generated me a lot of revenue yet, but it is something that will in the future as my channel begins to grow. As it sits right now, I only have one member who has used my affiliate link. It's not showing up quite yet, but I got it through my email. So this comes out to about $44 is what I received from his yearly subscription to TubeBuddy. So I will write down another $44 in affiliate marketing. And in the future, I will have one more affiliate marketing link, which I just got through the process of doing, and this is going to be through Amazon. Now, with Amazon, I don't have any generated revenue at this given moment, but I will be receiving a commission off of purchases on any of the equipment that I promote to you guys. And of course, I will never promote any sort of equipment or stuff that I don't personally use and love. Like I love my computer. This thing's an absolute beast. I'll promote my microphone. microphone, my keyboard, my mouse. I really enjoy my computer setup, so I wouldn't recommend it to people if I didn't enjoy it. But this will also be a future source of revenue. And then on top of that, I have my overall portfolio. And my current portfolio is sitting at a cost of $30,844. Then in my bank account, I currently have sitting about $1,000 until I get paid again here by the Army and by all of these different revenue sources. So my total current revenue and working towards that $1 million mark is sitting at, well, I suppose I should just click add first. Add, click these all together. One sec, let me do this. Okay, so as of February 1st of 2021, my total net worth is going to be $42,889. And as this continues to grow, and as my channel continues to grow, we get more people that join the Patreon. My channel begins to grow. I get more views per video. My portfolio grows, and I begin to get more overall revenue and margin. The margin obviously is a snowballing effect as your account gets bigger. Even if you average 5% a week, right? Well, 5% a week on $30,000 is a lot different than 5% a week on $100,000, right? So as this begins to grow, this is going to be a snowballing effect, and I am going to be keeping track of all of the overall revenue that I am pulling from YouTube, from my Patreon, from affiliate marketing, from my job, and from my portfolio. And I'm going to be showing you guys every single week how much money I am making and how we are looking at getting towards that goal of being a 1 millionaire. So as we sit right now, I am sitting at $42,889. And I suppose one thing that I failed to add into here, and I'll just throw this over here, is I am a homeowner. I did purchase a house over in Fort Bragg, or Fayetteville, North Carolina, by Fort Bragg, and this house is worth $187,000. That is what I'm paying for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. My mortgage per month comes out to about $1,000 a month. And while you may be thinking, you know, this isn't really going to add to your net worth, I do think that it is going to, because as I pay off this home, instead of paying rent or a lease on a house or an apartment, right, where the money just goes into the void, I'm basically paying myself into a high yield savings account, right? So as I pay off this house, it's going to continue to appreciate in value. It's in a nice neighborhood. I can do small things to the home in order to improve the overall equity of the house, and this is going to be something that generates me revenue in the future as well. I also plan on having some tenants that are going to be living in the house with me, a couple people that I know in the Army who are going to be, I'm going to be renting out rooms to, and I have a 4-bedroom house, and I'm going to be renting each house or each room out for $600 a month. So that comes out to $1,800 a month of generated revenue. So if we add that in over here, which I'll do real quick, that will come out to $45,689 as of February 1st, including all of my current income sources. And my goal in order to really snowball the total amount of money that I'm able to make is I have a rule. So if we take out this $30,844 right now, that's money that I'm never going to touch. $45,689 minus $30,844. That comes out to $14,845 per month. That's the Army, my YouTube AdSense, my Patreon, my affiliate marketing, my bank account, and my rent. So about $14,845 per month. Now I am only going to be using about $5,000 of this to pay my bills, to put into my bank account, to have fun with, and the other $9,000 is going to be put into my portfolio. So I have a very aggressive saving style, and I plan on using all of the money that I'm making from YouTube, from all my income streams, right, to build out my portfolio and let my money work for me. That way I can snowball effect the overall portfolio and make more money. So 32109, that comes out to $9,845 that I will be putting into my portfolio per month. So if we do the quick math here and we take, we'll just round this up to $10,000. So $10,000 times 12 months in a year, that comes out to a yearly portfolio income of about $120,000. So as I put this into my portfolio, I'm not going to give you guys some sort of percentage that I'm reaching for, because every week in the market is different. I have been averaging somewhere between 10 and 20% per week in the market as of now, with all of my different strategies that I go through. But as I put more money into this and beginning to grow my account every single week, this is going to snowball and lead to the portfolio getting closer and closer to that $1 million mark. So as it sits right now, like I said, we're at $30,844. If we lowball this and say I'm going to be putting $120,000 into this account, that comes out to $30,844 plus 120, that comes out to $150,844 before I have any sort of growth in the portfolio. So that's how things are looking right now. I have been averaging about 10% per week, which comes out to 40% per month. So if we just take 40% per month, and I'm not very good at math, but I'll tell you what, if we average 40% a month continuously on this portfolio, it is not going to take long before we reach that $1 million market, that $1 million stone. So that is what I have for you guys right now. Let me know if you enjoy this video idea. I don't think there's a lot of YouTubers out there, especially finance YouTubers, that share the amount of actual revenue that they're making. I think it's a kind of touchy subject, but I always want to be completely transparent with you guys and never make you feel like I'm just misleading you, like I'm making more money than I am, like I'm cheating the market, like the whole 9 yards. My biggest goal is always transparency, so I want to completely track this process of revenue from YouTube, revenue from my portfolio, revenue from affiliate marketing. That way you can make your best decision on whether or not you want to support this channel, be a part of the community, and the whole 9 yards. So that is what I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. It really does help support the channel, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this. And lastly, I do have that affiliate link for TubeBuddy in the description box down below, as I mentioned earlier. A great tool to help get your videos into the eyes of your intended audience. If you do use my link, I'll receive a commission off of your purchase. So that is what I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.